Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can save your edits or save your videos that you've finished editing, or even photos you've finished editing on CapCut. Okay, so watch till the end and copy the right steps I'm doing. Okay, so open your CapCut application. Okay, so when you open your CapCut application, come and tap on new project here. So import a video that you want to edit. Okay, so I'll import this video. So after importing the video, wait for it to load. Okay, so after the video has finished loading, I'll quickly start to edit it. Okay, so let me add a text here. Okay, so when you're done editing your video, as you can see, I'm done editing my video. If you want to save, come and tap on this arrow here, this arrow that is pointing up. Okay, so you tap on that arrow, then you export your videos. Okay, so in the process of exporting, it is the same thing. I am just saving my video. So when exporting reaches 100%, I'll quickly find my video in my gallery. So you also do the same, and you find your edits or your videos in your gallery of your Android device. So when you finish exporting, come on and tap on done over here. So you tap on done. So when you tap on done, you're good to go. You've saved your video on CapCut. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.